Hey folks, it's Steve with the Brake Shop and Certified. I've got an Infiniti in the shop that came in yesterday. It's got a brake caliper sticking on the driver's side rear. When I priced the job to my friend, he needs pads and rotors and also 2 brake calipers. The question is, why do I need 2 brake calipers? Well, good question, Tony. The reason is this brake caliper has a mechanical issue. If I don't replace the other side, it has the same number of miles in the car, I could be back where I'm at today and you'd have to replace the pads and the rotors once again. So as a preventive measure and to keep the customer happy, I like my friends, we need to go ahead and replace both calipers, pads and rotors to make this job work long term. So if you have brake questions or if you have brake questions, pulsations, things like that, come see me at Certified at the Brake Shop. It's Steve at Certified, 241-7166, 241-7166.